Welcome, in front of me is an ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device. So to get started, let's click on the start menu or whatever it's called here, and simply type in settings or just SE, and you will see it right here, settings. Open it up, and from here we want to go to the device category right over here and scroll all the way down, tap on advanced, and again scroll all the way down where you will have the reset option. So we have two, restore settings to their original defaults or power wash. Now we're interested in the power wash, which will remove all user accounts and reset your Google Chrome device to it to be just like new. So let's select that, and restart is required before your device can be reset with power wash. Okay, so let's tap on restart and simply wait for it to boot back up. Okay, so from here, restart this Chromebook device, click on power wash. Your device will be restored and all user accounts and local data will be removed. This cannot be undone, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. But assuming you already have done it or you don't want to, tap on continue, and this will begin the process, I believe. Yep, there we go. So as you can see, it now began. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device or just leave it like that if, for instance, you want to get rid of it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.